Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Xfinity Wi-Fi gateway is blinking a red light, it can be frustrating because your internet may suddenly stop working even though the device still appears powered on. Sometimes the red light keeps flashing for a long time, while in other situations it appears suddenly after a restart or service interruption. This issue usually means the Xfinity Wi-Fi gateway is struggling to establish a proper internet connection, which can happen because of cable problems, signal interruptions, temporary glitches, or service outages. Since the gateway depends on a stable network signal to provide internet, even a small interruption can trigger the blinking red light. The big thing is that many users are able to fix the problem with a few quick checks at home before contacting support. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix an Xfinity Wi-Fi gateway blinking red light. Try these. Step 1. Check all cables connected to the Xfinity Wi-Fi gateway and make sure the Xfinity Wi-Fi gateway connections are secure. Step 2. Restart the Xfinity Wi-Fi gateway by unplugging the gateway for a short time before reconnecting power. Step 3. Inspect the signal cable attached to the Xfinity Wi-Fi gateway and confirm the line is connected properly. Step 4. Check the Xfinity service status connected to the Xfinity Wi-Fi gateway in case the issue is related to an outage. Step 5. Place the Xfinity Wi-Fi gateway in an open area to help maintain a stable connection. Step 6. Watch the Xfinity Wi-Fi gateway lights again and confirm it stops blinking red and connects normally.